Welcome to our video on the psychology of weight tracking and how to stay motivated. Maintaining a healthy lifestyle is essential, and tracking your weight can be an excellent tool to help you achieve your goals. In this video, we'll explore the psychological aspects of weight tracking and provide you with some practical tips on how to stay motivated and achieve your goals. The power of tracking progress. Tracking your weight is a powerful tool for keeping yourself accountable and motivated. Studies have shown that people who track their weight regularly are more likely to achieve their weight loss goals. By tracking your weight, you can see your progress over time and identify any patterns or behaviors that may be hindering your progress. The role of self-efficacy. Self-efficacy refers to the belief in one's ability to achieve a goal. This belief can have a significant impact on weight loss success. Research has shown that people with high levels of self-efficacy are more likely to stick to their weight loss goals. Tracking your weight can help boost your self-efficacy by providing evidence of your progress and helping you see that you are capable of achieving your goals. The impact of social support. Social support can also play a crucial role in weight loss success. Research has shown that people who have support from friends and family are more likely to achieve their weight loss goals. Joining a weight loss support group or online community can also provide you with the support and encouragement you need to stay on track. Tips for staying motivated. To stay motivated, you need to implement these tips. Set realistic goals. Make sure your weight loss goals are achievable and sustainable. Track more than just your weight. Track your food intake, exercise habits, and other lifestyle factors that can impact weight loss. Find a workout partner. Having a workout partner can provide accountability and motivation. Find a workout partner. Having a workout partner can provide accountability and motivation. Take breaks when needed. Don't be too hard on yourself. Take a break when needed and come back to your goals with a fresh mindset. Conclusion. Tracking your weight can be a powerful tool for achieving your weight loss goals. By understanding the psychology behind weight tracking and implementing the tips we've provided, you can stay motivated and achieve success. Remember to stay focused on your goals, celebrate small victories, and seek out social support when needed. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons for more helpful content. Thanks for watching.